Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to actually delete your account in Valorant. So, first of all, guys, I will need you to go through your PC and then open your browser, whatever it is, and then you will have to go to Valorant login, which will open this page, which is account.riotgames.com. So click on sign in there, and here basically you'll have to put your username and then password. So let's go ahead and sign in. And now we will receive some security email in our Gmail. So let's go ahead and find it. For me, I will just copy it from my phone. So it is 447855. Now, after I did that, it will be taking us to the page. So let's wait a little bit until it loads. And here it is, my account. Now, as you can see here, this your Rise ID, personal ID, Rise account sign in, and here connected accounts, and here two factor, and here login management. So, in order for you to actually delete your account, you have to go and connect the support. So, in order to delete your account, you just have to go to here support, then here you check to Valorant, or you can just pick up the right Forge. So for me, I will just pick Valorant, and here I will wait a little bit. Multi-factor authentication. So what can we help you with? So if we click here to delete account, and here deleting your Riot Games account and all your data. So if I click here, are you looking to delete your Riot game, or maybe are you looking to delete your data? We will have a self-service option available to you if you log in below and prove ownership of your Riot Games account. You can queue your Riot account for deletion. So here, 15 grace period. So after queuing your account for deletion, you have 30 days to change your mind. So if you do not notify us, your account will not be stopped. So now, as you can see, this is the process: request type, account management, data request or deletion, ticket subject, account, etc. So you just have to fill these informations and then just send them to them. And just like so, your account will be deleted on Valorant and every other Riot Games game. So yeah, guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and thank you for watching.